Today, we have an opening in Wild Oak Bay, a lush and tropical condominium complex located in Bradenton, Florida. It's pet-friendly and open to all ages. This second floor, 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit has 1,592 square feet and is being offered at $220,000. This turnkey furnished unit is done in neutral tones and has upscale furnishings. The large living area has a view of the lanai. The unit has a spacious, well-appointed kitchen. In addition to counter seating at the kitchen, there's a large dining room. The lanai is comfortably furnished to enjoy gazing at the pond or the pool. There's a large master bedroom with a king-size bed, also looking out to the lanai. The guest bedroom is appointed with 2 twin beds. The 3rd bedroom has been organized as an office with a large sleeper sofa. The complex has a large heated pool to enjoy. Wild Oak Bay is a great place to make your second home or permanent full-time residence. We're close to the beaches, close to the airports, and have some excellent fine dining.